Hazur.
Your name?
My name is Rahan Qureshi. I'm
Yes.
from the Brampton Jamaat.
From?
The Brampton Jamaat.
Right, right.
My question today is about life after death.
About what?
Life after death.
Right.
One of the hadiths of the Holy Prophet ﷺ says paradise is everlasting. My question is, Hazur, how do we perceive the benefits of this paradise? I'm sure it's in a spiritual sense rather than a physical sense. Could you just explain a bit more on that?
Do you understand Canadian English? Please. Could you? They have not understood. How could I? I'm a visitor to Canada. Please. Would you repeat your question? Loudly
My question
and
is,
clearly.
it says, one of the hadiths of the Holy Prophet, that paradise is everlasting.
Everlasting.
Yes.
Right. This I have understood. The question.
The question is, how do we receive the benefits of this paradise? I am aware that it is more a spiritual way rather than a physical life. Could you just explain how it is more spiritual?
You see, I wish you had read Hazrat Masih Maud-Salam's epoch-making book, the most revolutionary book of the modern times, Islami Usul Ki Philosophy, the philosophy of the teachings of Islam. There, one question of the 5 deals exactly with this subject. So you read it and you will get the answer, inshallah. Right? Jazakumullah. हैं? थोड़ा सा और एक दो बच्चों को कर लेने दें। नहीं, मगर हो सकता है इसे जान साहब को और सवाल करना हो। You see, have you heard, Isajan Sahib, have you heard that famous Persian couplet? Darmayane qare darya takhte bandam kar deyi baaz mi goi ke daman tarmak hun hushar bash. They have put me in front of questioners like you and they want me to take care of time as well. It's simply not possible. Please sit down.